What if I told you, you don't need to spend $500 to get pro-level photos in 2025? Exploding head after testing dozens of budget cameras, we found 5 hidden gems under $200 that outperform expensive brands. Stick around because the #1 pick shoots 4K video and has insane night mode. Want these deals? All purchase links are in the description. Let's jump in. Number 1. Kodak PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FC55 Camera. The Kodak PIXPRO FC55 is a compact and budget-friendly camera packed with practical features for everyday photography and vlogging. It sports a 16MP CMOS sensor that captures crisp, detailed images, and the 5x optical zoom with a 28mm wide-angle lens is perfect for both close-ups and wider shots. Whether you're snapping photos on vacation or creating content, its ability to record in 1080p Full HD makes it a solid vlogging companion. The camera features a 2.7-inch LCD screen for easy framing and playback, and its rechargeable Li-ion battery ensures convenience and reliability on the go. With support for SD cards up to 512 GB, Class 10 or higher, storage won't be a concern. Lightweight, easy to use, and reliable, the FC55 is a great option for beginners or casual shooters looking for a cheap camera with good quality in a compact package. Number 2. Sony DSCW800/B 20.1MP Digital Camera. The Sony DSCW800/B is a compact and reliable digital camera designed for users who want simplicity without sacrificing image quality. Featuring a 20.1MP Superhead CCD sensor, it captures sharp, vibrant photos, while steady shot image stabilization helps reduce blur for clearer results, even when shooting handheld. Its Sony lens with 5x optical zoom allows you to get closer to your subject, and the 360-degree sweep panorama mode is perfect for capturing wide landscapes with a single press. Video recording is available in 720p HD, making it suitable for casual clips and family memories. With features like easy mode for a simplified menu, blink detection, and versatile digital zoom ranges, it's great for beginners or those wanting a straightforward point-and-shoot experience. The package includes everything you need to get started, including a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, USB cable, wrist strap, and manual. This is a strong contender for anyone seeking the best budget camera under $200. Number 3. Kodak PIXPRO AZ405BK 20MP Digital Camera. The Kodak PIXPRO AZ405BK is a powerful yet affordable bridge camera that offers impressive zoom and clarity for its price. Featuring a 20MP CMOS sensor and a massive 40x optical zoom with a 24mm wide-angle lens, it's perfect for capturing everything from distant wildlife to sweeping landscapes. The camera records in 1080p Full HD, making it a solid choice for vlogging or casual video work. The large 3-inch LCD screen provides a clear view for composing shots, and optical image stabilization, OIS, helps reduce motion blur, especially when zooming in. It supports SD cards up to 512 GB, Class 10 or higher, offering plenty of room for photos and videos. One unique feature is its use of AA batteries, which can be convenient for travel and easy replacement on the go. Number 4. CAMKORY USDC403LS Digital Camera. The CAMKORY USDC403LS is a beginner-friendly digital camera that balances simplicity with creativity, making it an ideal choice for kids, teens, and casual users. It captures crisp 44MP photos and smooth 1080p Full HD videos using a modern CMOS metering system, eliminating the need for complicated manual settings while still producing vivid, natural-looking images. Compact and ultra-portable, this camera is lightweight and small enough to fit in your pocket, perfect for travel, school trips, or everyday fun. It comes with 2 long-lasting batteries and features an auto power-off mode to conserve energy on longer outings. Designed with ease of use in mind, its ergonomic layout, simple menu system, and large LCD screen make it incredibly user-friendly, even for children as young as 5. With 16x digital zoom, 20+ creative filter effects, anti-shake, smile detection, and more, it also encourages creativity and playful exploration. It's an excellent beginner camera under $200 and a thoughtful gift for budding young photographers. Number 5. 4K Underwater Camera. Experience the thrill of underwater exploration with our 4K waterproof camera. With a stunning 4K video and 56MP photo resolution, it captures every aquatic adventure in crisp, breathtaking detail. Perfect for snorkeling, this camera is your ticket to the world of underwater. Dive in, capture the moment, and let our camera bring your underwater journey to life. Unleash the explorer within you. Autofocus underwater camera. Unleash your inner photographer with our underwater camera. Equipped with an intuitive autofocus function, it's as simple as half-pressing the shutter to focus. Watch for the focus frame turning green on the screen, then fully press to capture stunning photos. It's so easy to use, even beginners can master it in no time. Dive in and start creating beautiful underwater memories today. So, which of these budget cameras are you grabbing? Comment below. Loudspeaker. If this video saved you hundreds of dollars, do us a favor, smash that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more crazy tech deals. All camera links are below, go grab yours before prices rise. Rocket. See you in the next one.